Imagine discovering a goat breed that produces richer, creamier milk for top-dollar cheese, breeds year-round without any tricks, and thrives in tough climates, all while being easier to manage than the big names like Saanen or Alpine. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Meet the Murciano-Granadina goat, the hidden gem that's quietly transforming dairy farms worldwide. But here's the kicker. Elite Does can pump out up to 1,300 kilograms of premium milk per lactation, with fat and protein levels that make cheesemakers drool. If you're tired of seasonal slumps and low-quality yields, this could slash your costs and boost your profits overnight. Don't click away. By the end, you'll know exactly why this underrated breed is your farm's next upgrade. Let's uncover the secrets right now. Picture this. In a world dominated by big-name breeds like Saanen and Alpine, the Murciano-Granadina quietly produces milk that's richer, creamier, and perfect for cheese, all without the drama of seasonal breeding. Originating from Spain's Murcia and Granada regions in the 1970s, this breed was created by crossing Murciana and Granadina goats for one goal: top-tier milk production. With over 115,000 heads thriving in Spain and beyond, it's no wonder exports are booming, even to rugged terrains around the world. These goats are built for efficiency. Females weigh 40 to 55 kilograms, males 50 to 70 kilograms, making them compact and easy to handle compared to bulkier breeds. Sporting glossy black or brown coats, optional horns, and a sturdy build, they're adaptable warriors that thrive in harsh, low-forage areas. No wonder they're a fit for sustainable farming in dry climates. Now, the star of the show: milk. On average, these beauties yield 530 to 700 liters per 210 to 240-day lactation, with elite does hitting up to 1,300 kilograms. But it's the quality that shines. 5.5 to 5.8% fat, 3.6 to 3.8% protein, and 4.7% lactose, giving it a low goaty smell and high cheese-making potential. That's 98% of their milk turning into delicious hard cheeses. Daily output? 1.96 to 2.08 kilograms, with a flatter lactation curve for steady supply. No big drops like other breeds. Forget waiting for seasons. Murciano-Granadina are polyestric, breeding year-round for consistent milk without extra tricks like hormones or lights. They're prolific too. 2+ kids per birth for multi-paris does, averaging 6 lactations in a lifetime. Crossbreed with meat goats like boar, and your kids reach slaughter weight faster. Think 44 days instead of 63. Pros: high-quality milk over sheer quantity. Ideal for profitable cheese sales. They're low maintenance, quick to milk, adaptable to intensive or grazing setups, and resistant to mastitis with low somatic cell scores. Sustainable on poor forage, they're perfect for modern, eco-friendly farms, even in challenging weather worldwide. Cons: lower overall yield than giants like Saanen, 0.5 to 0.9 kilograms per day less. Smaller size means you might need more animals for big operations, and they're less common outside Europe, so sourcing could be tricky. Feeding: a balanced diet with concentrates boosts those yields. Add supplements to prevent lactation dips. Housing: they love warm climates but adapt well. Prioritize good ventilation in barns. Health: regular udder checks, deworming, and use the male effect for natural breeding. For farmers in arid regions, start small. Their hardiness matches tough terrains perfectly. In today's world of organic trends and steady income needs, This breed excels with year-round production and economic perks. 10% of farm income from kids alone, plus meat value from crosses. Compared to Saanen, less milk but superior quality and no breeding hassles. It's the smart choice for efficient, future-proof farming. So, is the Murciano-Granadina your next herd hero? If quality, sustainability, and ease are your priorities, absolutely. Drop a comment. What's your favorite dairy breed and why? Hit like if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more underrated breed guides, and share with fellow farmers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.